Welcome to my channel. My name is Chan Kwasniak, and in today's story, we are going to talk about SPLM-IO political bureau reaffirm loyalty to detained leader Riek Machar. Well, 18 senior members of the Sudan People Liberation Movement in opposition political bureau have rejected the interim leadership declared by peace-building Minister Parkol and reaffirmed their loyalty to detained party leader Riek Machar. In a joint statement released Monday, the group, which includes prominent officials such as Interior Minister Angelina Teng, Mining Minister Martina Bushar, and Energy Minister Peter Marcelo, dismissed Parkol's April 9 declaration as interim chairman as null and void. This party has not undergone any leadership change. Dr. Riek Machar remains the legitimate leader of the SPLM-IO, and the party structure are fully intact, the statement said. This marked the first coordinated response from Machar loyalists since his arrest on March 26. The group labeled Parkol action as a defection and warned it against effort to divide the party. Tension have escalated within the SPLM-IO since Parkol, supported by a faction that include Federal Affairs Minister Lasuba Wango, claimed temporary leadership, citing the need to push forward the 2018 revitalized peace agreement. President Salva Kiir Peace Implementation Committee formally recognized Parkol group on May 9, deepening the political divide. Machar allies called for urgent dialogue between President Kiir and the detained advised by President Dr. Riek Machar to defuse tensions. They also demanded the immediate and unconditional release of Machar and other detained SPLM-IO officials. The group appealed to international bodies, including the African Union and United Nations, to press the South Sudanese government to resume full implementation of the 2018 peace accord. Despite the current arrest, the statement encouraged SPLM-IO members holding government position to continue their work but condemn any form of intimidation against party supporters. The SPLM-IO political bureau has 28 members in total, though several are reported to have fled Juba amid rising fear for their safety following Machar detention, which is linked to alleged involvement in the March 4's violence in Nasser. For more news or for more developing stories, please, I would like you to help me by subscribing, and do not forget to hit the notification bell so when I upload a new video, you can be the first to get it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.